Close your eyes for just a second. Imagine stepping outside on a warm summer evening. The air is soft, there's a gentle breeze, and your patio, your outdoor space, feels like something out of a five-star resort. Comfortable seating, warm, glowing lights above you, the smell of flowers nearby, candles flickering on the table. Everything feels intentional. Everything feels beautiful. Now, open your eyes. For most Americans, that vision and their actual patio are two very different things. Most patios are, let's be honest, a concrete slab with some plastic chairs that have seen better days. Maybe a grill in the corner, maybe a dead plant that nobody watered. And here's the frustrating part. People assume that a luxury-feeling outdoor space costs thousands of dollars, that it requires new furniture, professional designers, complete renovations. It does not. Today, we are going through 10 patio decor ideas that create a genuine luxury atmosphere, and most of them cost under $20. These are not cheap tricks. These are not temporary fixes. These are real, lasting upgrades that will completely transform how you feel every single time you step outside. Because here's what I truly believe. Every American home deserves an outdoor space that feels like a retreat, a place where you actually want to spend time, where you can breathe, relax, and feel good. Let's build that space together, starting right now. Number 10, and this one is so important that every single luxury outdoor space has it, yet most people never notice it until it's pointed out to them: an outdoor rug. An outdoor rug does something that almost nothing else can. It defines your space. It takes a cold, hard concrete slab and transforms it into a room, a real, intentional, designed room that just happens to be outside. Think about it. Every beautiful living room has a rug. Every cozy bedroom has a rug. Your outdoor space deserves the same treatment. A quality outdoor rug, UV-resistant, weatherproof, easy to clean, from Amazon, Walmart, or HomeGoods, runs about $15 to $25 for a 5x7 foot size. Choose a pattern that speaks to you: geometric, striped, or solid neutral. Place your furniture on top of it. Total cost? Under $25. And here is what happens the moment you lay that rug down. Your entire patio suddenly has a focal point. It has structure. It looks designed. Every single luxury outdoor patio upgrade on this list will look even better because of this one foundation piece. Start here. Always start here. Number 9. There is a reason why every upscale restaurant, every luxury hotel patio, every beautiful outdoor space you have ever admired has one thing in common: lanterns. Not overhead lighting, not harsh, bright bulbs. Warm, soft, flickering lantern light that sits at eye level and below, creating an atmosphere that feels intimate, cozy, and genuinely special. Here is the secret that interior designers know. Lighting height matters enormously. Light that comes from below and at eye level creates warmth and intimacy. Light that only comes from above feels institutional, cold, like a parking lot. Lanterns fix this instantly. Grab 3 to 5 lanterns in varying heights, tall, medium, and small, from HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, or Amazon. Metal lanterns in black or bronze finish look the most premium. Prices range from $5 to $15 each. Fill them with LED flameless candles, about $8 for a set of 6, that flicker realistically but never burn out. Arrange them in a cluster in the corner of your patio. Group them at different heights. Total cost? $25 to $40. Turn them on at dusk and watch your patio transform into something that genuinely feels like a 5-star outdoor lounge. Number 8. Here's a question. What is the first thing a professional home stager does when they walk into a space that feels dull and uninviting? They change the pillows. Every single time. Because pillows are the fastest, cheapest, most impactful way to change the entire feel and personality of any space, indoor or outdoor. Your outdoor furniture might be basic, it might be old, it might be plastic chairs you bought years ago, but put the right throw pillows on them and suddenly everything looks intentional, curated, expensive.
The key is choosing outdoor throw pillows with bold patterns or rich textures, deep navy, terracotta, sage green, cream, colors that feel warm and intentional. Outdoor throw pillows at HomeGoods or TJ Maxx, $5 to $12 each. Grab 4 to 6 for your seating area, mix a solid with a pattern, keep colors in the same family. Total cost? $20 to $40. This is genuinely one of those upgrades where people walk onto your patio and immediately say, wow, this feels so nice, and they cannot explain exactly why. The pillows are why. Number 7, if there is one upgrade on this entire list that is completely non-negotiable, one thing that every single luxury outdoor space absolutely must have, it is this: string lights. There is a reason every beautiful patio, every rooftop bar, every gorgeous outdoor dining space in America has string lights overhead. They work every single time without exception. String lights overhead create a canopy effect, like a ceiling for your outdoor room. They define the space, they create intimacy, and that warm amber glow they cast, it makes everyone and everything look beautiful. The key for a luxury feel, go with globe string lights, the ones with the round bulb shape, not the simple small bulbs. The globe style looks significantly more premium and upscale. A 50-foot strand of weatherproof globe string lights on Amazon, $15 to $20. Hang them above your seating area between fence posts, hooks on your house, or shepherd poles from the dollar store. Total cost? Under $20. String lights at night do more for your patio atmosphere than furniture that costs $500. That is not an exaggeration. That is just the truth. Number 5, close your eyes again for just a moment. What do luxury spas sound like? What do 5-star hotel gardens sound like? What do the most peaceful, relaxing outdoor spaces in the world have in common? The sound of water. Gentle, soft, continuous flowing water is one of the most powerful atmosphere creators that exists. It masks outside noise, traffic, neighbors, city sounds. It creates an immediate sense of calm and relaxation. And it signals, without saying a single word, that this is a space designed for peace. A small tabletop solar fountain, the kind that sits on your patio table or on a small stand, costs about $18 to $25 on Amazon. Solar-powered, no wiring, no plumber, no installation. Fill it with water, set it in sunlight, done. Total cost? Under $25. The moment you turn on that water feature, your patio stops being just a concrete slab behind your house. It becomes a retreat. And the sound alone, that gentle, flowing water, will make you want to spend time outside every single day. Number 4, here's something interesting about luxury spaces. They always have surfaces. Surfaces for your coffee, surfaces for your book, surfaces for a candle, a small plant, a glass of wine. Without surfaces, a space feels incomplete, unfinished, like something is missing, but you can't quite identify what. Most basic patio setups have seating, but no surfaces, and that small missing detail makes the whole space feel less than it could be. A simple outdoor side table or small coffee table, weather-resistant, clean design, from Amazon, Walmart, or even a thrift store, runs about $15 to $25. The top, simply styled. One small potted succulent, one LED candle, maybe a small decorative tray. Total cost? Under $25. And suddenly, your patio seating area feels complete. It feels like a room that was designed because now it has everything a room needs: seating, lighting, a surface, greenery. That combination, that's the formula for a space that feels luxury regardless of what you spent. Number 3. This is the most underused patio upgrade in America, and it might be the most dramatic transformation on this entire list: outdoor curtains. Hang sheer white or linen-colored outdoor curtain panels from a simple tension rod or curtain wire between 2 posts, and your patio goes from ordinary to absolutely stunning in about 20 minutes. Outdoor curtains do 3 things simultaneously that almost nothing else can. They create privacy, a soft visual barrier between your patio and the rest of the world. They add movement. Fabric flowing gently in the breeze is one of the most beautiful things you can have in an outdoor space. And they frame your patio, creating a sense of enclosure that makes the space feel intentional and designed. White sheer outdoor curtain panels from Amazon, about $12 to $18 for a pair. A simple tension curtain rod or outdoor curtain wire, about $10. Total cost? Under $30. This is the upgrade that makes people walk onto your patio and genuinely stop. They look around and think, this feels like a resort. This feels like somewhere special. Fabric does that. Movement does that. 20 minutes and $30. Number 2. Here's an upgrade that is equal parts functional and absolutely beautiful. An outdoor drink station. A simple metal bar cart, the kind you find at TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, or Amazon for about $25 to $35, styled with a few intentional details, becomes one of the most visually striking elements of any outdoor space. Here is how to style it for maximum impact. Bottom shelf, a small potted plant, a stack of outdoor plates or napkins. Top shelf, a small tray with glasses, an LED lantern, maybe a small ice bucket. That is it. Simple, clean, intentional. But what it communicates is powerful. This space is ready for guests. This space was designed for enjoyment. This is a home where good times happen. Total cost? $30 to $40. And here's the practical truth. Having a designated drink station outside means you stop going in and out of your house constantly when you're enjoying. A simple metal bar cart, the kind you find at TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, or Amazon for about $25 to $35, styled with a few intentional details, becomes one of the most visually striking elements of any outdoor space. Here is how to style it for maximum impact. Bottom shelf, a small potted plant, a stack of outdoor plates or napkins. Top shelf, a small tray with glasses, an LED lantern, maybe a small ice bucket. That is it. Simple, clean, intentional. But what it communicates is powerful. This space is ready for guests. This space was designed for enjoyment. This is a home where good times happen. Total cost? $30 to $40. And here's the practical truth. Having a designated drink station outside means you stop going in and out of your house constantly when you're enjoying your patio. Everything you need is right there, right outside, in a space that looks genuinely beautiful. That is luxury. Accessible, affordable, real luxury. And now, number 1. Number 1 is not just one thing. Number 1 is a concept, a philosophy, a way of thinking about your outdoor space that changes everything. The cozy corner. Here's what I want you to do. Pick one corner of your patio, just one corner, and pour everything into it. An outdoor rug to define the space, 2 chairs or a small love seat with throw pillows, a side table between them, 2 or 3 lanterns at different heights grouped in the corner, a potted plant, something lush and full, behind the chairs, string lights overhead. That is the complete cozy corner formula. And here's why it works so powerfully. It creates a destination, a specific, intentional place in your outdoor space that says, this is where you sit, this is where you relax, this is your spot. Right now, most patios are just space, open, undefined, no clear purpose. A cozy corner gives your patio a heartbeat, a reason to exist, a place that pulls you outside every single evening because it's genuinely beautiful and comfortable. Total cost for everything? $60 to $80, using items throughout this list. And what you get in return, an outdoor space that your family will use every single day, that your guests will never want to leave, that you will be genuinely proud of every time you step outside. That is not just decor. That's a lifestyle upgrade. And you deserve it. So there you have it. 10 patio decor ideas that create a genuine luxury atmosphere, most under $20. Quick recap. Number 10, outdoor rug, the foundation. Number 9, layered lanterns for atmosphere. Number 8, throw pillows, the fastest luxury trick. Number 7, globe string lights, non-negotiable. Number 6, small water feature for the luxury sound. Number 5, plant wall for instant greenery. Number 4, outdoor side table, complete the space. Number 3, outdoor curtains for privacy and drama. Number 2, drink station, functional and beautiful. And number 1, the complete cozy corner. Here's what I want you to remember after watching this video. Luxury is not about how much you spend. Luxury is about how intentional you are. It's about creating a space where every single detail was chosen with purpose, where nothing is accidental, where everything works together to create an atmosphere, a feeling that says this space was made for living in. Your patio can be that space. Your home can have that outdoor retreat. And you don't need to spend thousands of dollars or wait until someday when the budget is right. You can start this weekend with $20 and a couple of hours. Pick one idea from today's video, just one. Go to Home Depot or Walmart, spend $20, and make it happen. And when you step outside that evening with your coffee or your glass of wine and your patio feels warm and beautiful and intentional, you'll know exactly why you watched this video today. If this video gave you ideas and inspiration, please hit that subscribe button right now. Every single week, we bring you real, honest, affordable ways to make your home and outdoor spaces genuinely beautiful. Drop a comment below and tell me, which idea are you starting with? Your cozy corner, your lanterns, your outdoor curtain? I want to know. I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!